There are three types of meditators. The first one is someone who tried meditation, didn't like it, never did it again. The second one is a crisis meditator, someone who has a crisis, starts to meditate, feels better, and doesn't do it again until the next crisis. And the third one is the consistent meditator who avoids the crisis altogether because they're resilient enough to deal with it when it happens. I want to help you become a consistent meditator, and I'm just going to tell you how I did it myself. My name is Suze Yalof Schwartz, and I'm the CEO and founder of the Unplug meditation app. When I first started, the last thing I ever wanted to do was sit still. But I realized what actually works for me, and that's knowing what to do and when to do it and making it short and simple so that I can show up and feel successful at it. So I created monthly meditation challenges, and I literally just wake up in the morning, I press the meditation on the challenge on the Unplug app. I lay back down in my bed, close my eyes, meditate for 10 minutes, and then I start my day. Then I reward myself with a coffee. That is how I've gone from 0 consistent days to 254 and counting. So I hope you'll join me in becoming a meditator that doesn't have to wait for a crisis to show up.